We got a great question from Alessia. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. And she was wondering how to change the heading font in her Wix blog posts. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to do that now. So from your Wix editor, go up to the page drop down menu, and then under blog pages select post and select the post element and click on settings, and then click on design and text style and color. And here under headings you can change the H1 or title to the font that you'd prefer. You can also change the size, and you can bold it, italicize it, or underline it, whatever you like. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you have any questions about the video, then please feel free to add them in the comment section below. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.